And welcome back to another truck stop review. This is your host, good old TR, where I'm going to rate or berate your truck stop. Today we are reviewing Bailey's Convenience Store off I-80 exit 93 in Stuart, Iowa. Now this is more of what I consider a smaller truck stop, but I think this is going to be a good one, and let's get into it. First off, here we are located right off of I-90 or off I-80 exit 93, Stuart, Iowa. It's right off the interstate, and this place is pretty easy to get to. So it's pretty easy to get to, pretty easy to find. So me coming in here first though is that noticing that part of this lot is paved coming in, part of it is gravel, but it is easy to get turned into. But as you can see, this part here is gravel. Now we do have a few potholes, but they don't look too terribly bad. I don't think they're that deep either. As you can see right here, well, maybe you can't because of the dam, but it's not deep at all. So this is nothing to get afraid of, but there is a few potholes. Just go through nice and easy through it. You shouldn't have a problem at all. It's one of them things. I know they are working on it. So with all that being said, though, there really is no lighting around here. There is a limited parking, but you can find pretty good spots. There is by that building right there that we're looking at right now, parking behind there. That used to be a restaurant. We will see what that turns into. I have had a little chat with the new owner of this place. Okay, so moving along, we talked a little bit about the outside here. I don't see any trash, which I like that. Very clean. I like that a lot. I wish there might be some trash cans here and there, but it is what it is. But the fuel line looks clean. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 or 5 fuel islands, and a place you can pull up. So you shouldn't be waiting for fuel at all. This place, speaking of getting fuel, this place does take mudflap. Mudflap's a very good app. If you're not using it, an owner or operator, I suggest you go get. Okay, moving along from the outside, let's talk a little bit about the inside. I noticed that the bathrooms are pretty nice and clean, for what it is. So I like that. They do have showers here available also. Inside you will find some small truck things, your house, some jugs of oil, things like that. There's also a convenience store where you can get your soda, and they do have what I consider gas station food. I've also noticed though that they also sell beer and some whiskey there. So that's always a plus for you guys that want to take a break. Or maybe you're doing a 34, you get that beer and you go right over here to the motel. Better yet. The service, I met the new owner here, had a little chat with him. I hope someday to do a short interview with him and tell him all about his place. Was very nice and polite. Place is clean. I like it. So let's talk about what we have around here. Well, we don't have much, but we have a Napa there. So if you need to buy some tools, or just some small tools for that little project you got to do or work on your trailer, maybe they might have some truck parts. So that'd be a good place to go. It's just not very far of a walk. They are going to have, it looks like a quick star there. Now I don't know what they're going to all be building there. I don't know if that's going to be a fuel stop also or not, or just a regular gas station, not for sure. Moving along here though, as you can see the building over there, way in the distance, that will be a restaurant someday. Or they're thinking about, firing that back up. We'll see what happens there. So with that being said, they also got a motel here. Also, I've never stayed there, so I couldn't tell you what the motel is, but it looks nice from the outside. Also across the interstate, there is a McDonald's with some parking. There's also a Casey's with truck parking. If you're into Casey's Pizza, they have that. But we've already done a Casey's, and I think we have. If not, we'll do another one. So that's kind of really what y'all have around here, though. I think this would be a good place to take a 10-hour break, though. They do have showers here also. So that's really about it, is all I can tell you about this place. So let's go on to the ratings here. So it's you know, getting in and out of here so far, you know, it's not too bad. You know, easy place to find, so that's going to be a 5 out of 5. The parking lot and the cleanliness of the parking lot, well, I guess I do see a little bit of trash, but not too bad, so we're going to give that a 4.5 out of 5. We got ample parking here, so I like that, so we're going to give that a 5 out of 5. The cleanliness of the place, from what I seen, I didn't want to look around a whole lot. The store's a little small, so I didn't want to look like a creep, but what I seen was we're going to give that a 5 out of 5. Customer service for friendliness and quickness, we're going to give that a 5 out of 5 also. So this is a place that I want to come back to in 6 months and see how it turns out. So just I want to add a few things about this place. I've known this place for a long time ago, from quite a few years ago, and this place used to be a dump. I happened to stop in here a week, 2 weeks ago. I just needed a pack of smokes real bad. I didn't care how dump of a place it was. I just needed some smokes. I was out, damn it. I come in here and I notice right off the bat the place is cleaner. Even the outside looks cleaner, looks a lot better taken care of. So I thought, okay, we'll go in there and try it. And I got me a pack of smokes, and I talked to the owner for a minute or two and just took a quick look around. Very impressed with what I saw. So I'm really, you know, I was really excited to come here and do this real short review on it. I'm very positive this will be a lot better down the road. So I'm excited to see how it looks like in about 6 months. So with all that said, and nothing being done, remember, please be kind and courteous to your janitors. They are people too, doing a job that me personally, I wouldn't want to go do at all. And on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.